Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Kuldeep here, and today we are going to learn about handling the alerts or pop-up in Selenium WebDriver. As the part of the today's session, I will cover the below topics like what are alerts in the Selenium, what are different kind of alerts, and methods to handle the alerts. So let's start. Okay, so first try to understand that what is an alert or pop-up. So alert or the small pop-up box which displays the message and notify the user with some information. Okay, so let's consider an example that you are filling some form and the email ID field is the mandatory there. And if you have not filled it and just try to click on the submit button, then you will get a pop-up message which says like, please fill the email ID on this page. Okay, this is the kind of example you can consider for the alert. And so I believe like you must have observed such kind of pop-up window on the various websites. Coming to the next point is like alert are not HTML based. So as they are not the part of HTML, so you cannot get the properties of these alert just by right click on it. Second thing is like these are the JavaScript alert and okay, so Selenium by default cannot handle it. So basically they have created a wrapper to handle it, and with help of that you can switch your existing driver to the alert, and after that you can handle the alerts. Okay, the next thing is like there are two kind of alerts. So first are the JavaScript related alert which have no HTML code, and with help of switch driver we can handle such kind of alerts. And another type of alert is the Windows related alert, so like Windows based UI or the Windows authentication. So to handle that kind of alert we need to use the auto IT tool. Okay, so my focus on the today's session will be on JavaScript related alert. So if you talk about like pop-up alerts, okay, so there are three kind of alerts. So first is the simple alert. So let's try to understand this thing with the help of this website. So I have opened this URL. There is a one button, alert with OK, and here is the button. Click the button to display an alert. So as soon as I click on it, so I can see one alert, and it says like I am alert box, and there is a one OK button. Okay, so what it says like simple alerts displays some information or warning on the screen. So here you can see like it is showing some information like I am an alert box. Okay, so I simply click on OK. As soon as I click on OK, so it gets disappeared. Right. Coming to the next one. So the next one is the confirmation alert. So confirmation alert asks permission to do some type of operation. I just click on this alert with OK and cancel, and I just click on this one. So basically this is a confirmation alert. So here you can see like it says like press a button. So you can press OK or the cancel, any kind of button you can press here. So say like I press on the cancel button. You can notice that I am getting a message like you just cancel. So this is the confirmation type of alert box. And coming to the next one. So the next one is the prompt alert. So it asks some input from the user. Okay. Let's move to the next one. So the next is alert with the text box. Okay. If I try to click on this button, so here you can see that it asking for the enter your name. So I can enter my name here. Okay. And if I click on OK button, so the same name is displayed here. Right. And there are different kind of methods to handle the alert. First one is like wire dismiss. So it is used to click on the cancel button of the alert. Okay, and here is the syntax for the same. We can write in this way like driver dot switch to alert dot dismiss. So basically it will dismiss the alert. So if you want to click on the OK button, we can use the accept method here. Okay, and this is the syntax for the same. So we can write the driver dot switch to dot alert dot accept. Okay, and to get the text of the alert box, we can use the getString method, and to send some data to the alert box, we can use the send keys, and here is the syntax for the same. So we can use the driver dot switch to alert dot send keys, and simply enter the text whatever we want. So with the help of this method, you can basically input some data inside the alert box. Okay, Now let's see these things practically one by one. Okay, so let me create one class as the alerts demo. So I will create one class as the alerts demo and select public static void main, right? Okay, and let's utilize the code to launch the Chrome browser. I will pick it from here. Okay, so right, and let's use the URL, this one. Okay, let's execute it one time and see like is it launching the URL or not. Okay, so we can see like it is launching the URL successfully. So let's move ahead. Okay, so first let's try to handle this simple alert. Okay, so let's click on this button. Okay, so you can see like as I have clicked on this button, so I am getting this pop-up alert. But when I try to right click on it, okay, so you can see like I am not getting uh, any kind of options to identify the elements which are displayed here. Okay, when I click on the OK button or anywhere in this pop-up window, I am not getting any kind of basically the elements or the properties of this pop-up window. Okay, so how we can handle it? First, let's try to identify this web element. Click the button to display an alert box. So I will just right click and inspect. Okay, and here you can see that it has the starting tag as a button. Okay, and it has the message, click the button to display an alert box. So let's identify this element with the help of this text message. Okay, so I will write the button. Okay, and with the help of contains. Okay, and I will use the text function here. We'll copy the text to some notepad. Okay, and just use this text message here. Okay, right. So here you can see like it is started highlighting the button. Okay, so let's first handle the simple alerts. To get alert, what we need to do, we need to click on this button. So I will just click on this one. So I will write the driver dot find element void dot xpath. Okay, and this was my xpath, and after that we need to click on it, right? So I will write the click. Okay, and as soon as we clicked on that button, we will get the alert box. Okay, so to handle the alert box, what we need to do, we need to write the driver dot, this is a method like system dot alert. Okay, as it has the OK button, so you can perform the accept action. Okay, so we can write the accept. Okay, so what will happen, it will simply click on the OK button on the pop-up alert window. I can write it like OK button clicked. So let's execute it and see like what is happening here. So simply right click, run as Java application. Okay, so you can see like it has clicked and clicked on this button, and after that it clicked on the OK button which is displayed on that pop-up window. Now what we need to do is, say like I want to get the text of this one. Okay, so I want to get the text of this alert box. So what I can do, so I can write the driver dot switch to dot alert dot get text. Okay, as it is returning the string value, so we can store the value in some string variable. So I will write the string, and have the string message. Okay, and we can simply print it out. So I will write this out, and alert message. Okay, and simply print it, right? And now again execute this program. So I will run as Java application. Okay, so let's see what is the output here. Okay, so you can see like it is giving the output like I am an alert box. So guys, this is the way you can handle the simple alert, right? Now let's move to the next one. So the next one is the like confirmation alert. So I will write the confirmation alerts. Okay. To confirmation alert, first we need to click on this alert with OK and cancel. Okay. So first let's identify this web element. So here we can see like it has the text alert with the OK and cancel. You can utilize this one. And so this is inside A. So let's modify this XPath itself. So I can write it this way. Okay. And so you can see like it is getting highlight. Okay. So let me comment this out. I hope it is fine. Right. Okay. Okay, so once we have identified that web element, we need to click on it. So I will write the driver dot find element void dot xpath. Okay, and this is my xpath. I will click on it. Okay, so as soon as I click on it, I will get this button. Click the button to display confirm box. Okay, so let's identify this web element as well. I will just inspect this one, and here we can use the again like you can use the this one like this message here, a text message here. Okay, okay, and the starting tag is a button. So let's modify this XPath a bit, and we will able to get this button. Okay, so I will write the button. Okay, okay, so you can see like this button is getting highlighted. So I will just use the same here. So I will write the driver dot find element void dot XPath. Okay, and I will click on it. Okay. So once we click on it, so you can see like it is giving a confirmation window. So you can do the two things. You can click on the OK or the cancel button. So let's first do the OK. Now we need to switch our driver to the alert window. So we will write the driver dot switch to dot alert dot accept. Okay, and we can write the this out that OK button clicked. Okay, now let's execute this program and see what is happening here. So simply run as Java application. Right. Okay, so you can see like this message, you pressed OK. So basically we have pressed the OK button with the help of accept method. That's why it is showing that you pressed OK. And now let's click on cancel button. Okay. So to click on the cancel button, what we need to do, so just to copy these two commands. Okay. So to click on the cancel button, we need to write the dismiss. Okay. So now it will click on the cancel button. So I can write here cancel button clicked. Okay. And let's execute this program again and see what is happening here. Okay. Now you can see like you press the cancel. So as we are using the dismiss method, so that's why it just clicked on the cancel button. Okay. Okay. So this was the confirmation alert. Now let's move to the third one. So the third one is prompt alert. Okay. So it can basically take some input from the user. Let me comment this out. And let's move to the next one. That is the prompt alerts. Okay, so here what we need to do, here first we need to click on this one, this button alert with the text box. Okay, so first let's identify this web element. So I will just inspect, and here we have the one text alert with the text box. Okay, and the starting tag is a here. So let's modify this text path a bit, and we will able to get this web element. Okay, so I will write the text here, which is displayed for this button, and right. You can use this XPath So I will write in this way. Now we need to click on it. So I will write the driver dot find element by dot xpath. Okay, and click on it, right? And after that you have clicked on this one. So this button gets appeared, and we need to identify the xpath for this one as well. Okay, so here we can again use this text to identify this button, and I will write in this way like, okay, and we can use the button tag here, right? And we are able to identify this one. So after that I will write the driver dot find element by dot xpath, and this is my xpath, and I have clicked on this button, right? And as you know, like once we clicked on this button, so a pop-up window is displayed here, and here we can input some text inside it. Okay, so now to send the text inside it, I need to switch on this alert box. So I will write the driver dot sys2 dot alerts, okay, and then send keys, and I can enter whatever I like. So I have written the leaf here, okay, and after that you can simply sys out some message. So you can like text entered. Okay, so let's execute this program and see like is it entering the text inside the alert box or not. So simply right click and run a Java application. So here you can see like it has opened the URL. It is selecting the last option, and after that it has entered the Kuldeep here. So that's why we are saying that hello Kuldeep, how are you today? Okay. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.